show you, Daddy. Hi.
Hello.
Can you see this?
Okay, turn on.
OJ knows all the switches. He checks them all out.
See, one.
Got one light. Next. What do you do next?
That's the other light.
Two lights.
See, right here, the two buttons right
And we got a phone and an alarm clock. Lights off.
Okay, I'll show you another one now. Right here.
Okay, good. There you go.
Right here.
Okay, it's right in front.
Okay, I'll show you.
You show the light?
Another one is up there.
Oh, we can't get that one. Leave it. Too tall. Way up there. Okay.
And we see this.
Yeah, microwave.
Yeah.
Okay, open, RJ.
Yeah. Now check out the fridge. Open up the fridge.
No, you want to see this?
Okay.
And now how you stop it? Here.
Yes, clear.
The thing is crooked. The tray. Go ahead, open up fridge.
Okay, open up, RJ. There, RJ. Oh, nothing there.
It's getting cooler. Put your hand in there on the rack.
Nothing.
Here in the cabinet, RJ. Here is. Here.
Cabinet.
This?
Okay.
The drawers are all empty.
Oh, you see this?
What's that?
Oh, the Bible and the Book of Mormon.
Yeah. Bible, RJ.
Entertainment.
There is nothing there.
Okay, now show you this.
Okay, I got it.
Really
Is
burn.
it working?
Sometimes we see these.
It's not working.
Maybe it doesn't work. Maybe it's...
Right, cabinet.
Oh, here we go. Fan speed, a cooler. Is that working? Oh, cool. No, it's not working. Oh, acting controlled by the thermostat on the wall.
Yeah, I don't think kids walking on the field with spiders.
Oh, okay, you're talking about.
I mean, right? I mean, kind of weird to kids on flip-flop. How many pairs of glasses do you have? It is involved.
It's exclusive. Yeah. They weren't even full last night. The crowd tonight, they're going to be packed. With early breakfast tomorrow, then they're all going to Legoland. Legoland's still 45 miles away. Oh, there's the pool.
Yes, there's the
Some
pool.
people got here early, they stay the day and they go in the pool.
Oh my goodness.
What happened? Huh?
Bumpy. Here it is. Filled in.
Nobody's there.